Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the bell icon. MongoDB is a popular NoSQL database that stores data in a flexible, JSON-like format called BSON, binary JSON. It is designed to handle large amounts of unstructured or semi-structured data, making it ideal for modern applications that require scalability, flexibility, and performance. In this video, you will learn how to install MongoDB on Windows 11 or Windows 10. We will also cover the installation of MongoDB Compass and MongoDB Shell. Let's get started. In Google, type MongoDB download and press enter. Now click on MongoDB Community Server Download. Here you can see, current version is 8.0.1. Below it, you will see your operating system. In my case, it's Windows x64. You can choose your operating system from the list. Here, you will see two options, MSI and zip. We will download the MSI file. Click on Download button. Choose the folder and click on Save to download. The download will take some time, depending on your internet connection, as the MSI file is 714 megabytes in size. The download is complete. Click on the folder icon to open the folder where the MongoDB file has been downloaded. Double-click on this MSI file to start the installation process. You will see MongoDB Setup Wizard. Now click on Next. Read the terms, then select the checkbox that says, I accept the terms. Now click on Next. Here, you will need to choose the setup type. The first option is Complete, which installs all program features and requires the most disk space. It is recommended for most users. The second option is Custom, which allows users to select which program features will be installed and where. This option is recommended for advanced users. Below, you will see that MongoDB Shell must be installed separately. We will install it later in the video. Click on Complete and you will see Service Configuration. In this section, you can customize settings to run MongoDB as a service. By default, the option Install MongoDB as a service is selected, which means MongoDB will automatically start in the background whenever you boot your computer, ensuring it's always ready for use on your Windows operating system. Next, the option Run Service as Network Service User is selected, and we'll keep this setting as it is. Then you will see service name, which is MongoDB. Next, you will see the paths for your data and logs folders. All your data will be stored in the C, Program Files, MongoDB, Server, 8.0, Data folder, and all your logs will be stored in the C, Program Files, MongoDB, Server, 8.0, Log folder. Click on Next. In this section, you will see the option to install MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is the official graphical user interface for MongoDB. Below you will see Install MongoDB Compass option is checked, so just click Next. Now, we are ready to install MongoDB 8.0.1 on our system. Click on Install to begin the installation. The installation process has started, so just follow the on-screen instructions. You will see a pop-up asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes. It will take some time, so please wait while the Setup Wizard installs MongoDB. You can see MongoDB Compass is being installed. It will launch once it is done. You can see that MongoDB Compass has been installed and launched with a welcome message. Additionally, the MongoDB Setup Wizard has also been completed. Click Finish to exit the Setup Wizard. Here, you can see a button labeled Add New Connection. Creating a connection in MongoDB Compass is necessary to establish communication between the Compass application and your MongoDB database. Click on Add New Connection. Here you can see the connection string MongoDB //localhost 27017 in the URI section. This means you are connecting to a MongoDB server running locally on your machine, using the default port 27017. This connection string is commonly used for local development. In the name field, you can enter a name for your connection. I will name this connection Local MongoDB. From here you can choose a color for your connection. You can even favorite this connection so that it will pin it to the top of your list of connections. Click on Save and Connect, and it will save the connection and establish it. You can see the message, Connected to Local MongoDB. Here, you can see the connection along with 3 default databases, Admin, Config, and Local. Here, you can see My Queries, which allows users to save and manage their frequently used queries. Below the local MongoDB connection, there's another connection listed as localhost 27017, which is the default connection to the local MongoDB server. Now to create a database, hover over the connection name and click on plus icon. First, enter your database name and then enter your collection name. A collection in MongoDB is like a table in MySQL. Both are used to store data, but collections allow for more flexibility with varying document structures. You can check time series to store measurement sequences over time. Then click on Create Database and your database will be created. Here, you can view the actual documents stored in the collection. The aggregation section allows you to perform aggregation operations on your collection. The schema provides insights into the structure of the documents, the indexes show the created indexes, and validation allows you to define and manage rules for data validation. If you click on Add Data, you can either import a JSON or CSV file or insert a document manually. Click on Insert Document to insert data manually. Here, the _ID key uniquely identifies the document using an object ID $OID. Here, add a comma, then add the key title in double quotes, followed by a colon, and set its value to first post title in double quotes, then add a comma. Next, add the key body in double quotes, followed by a colon, and set its value to first post body in double quotes, then add a comma. Finally, add the key author in double quotes, followed by a colon, and set its value to John Doe in double quotes. Copy this key value data, as we will use it to add 2 more documents. Now, click on Insert to add the data. You will see that the data has been successfully inserted. Click on Add Data and select Insert Document. Replace first with second in both the title and body keys, and replace John Doe with Jane Doe in the author key. Now, click on Insert to add the data. You will see that the data has been successfully inserted. Once again click on Add Data and select Insert Document. Here add a comma and paste the data which you have copied. Replace first with third in both the title and body keys, and replace John Doe with Daniel White in the author key. Click on Insert to add the data and you will see that the data has been successfully inserted. To export the data, click on Export Data. You can export the query results or export the full collection. Click on Export the full collection. You can export the data in JSON or CSV format. Select JSON and click on Export. Here, choose the folder and click on Select, and the data will be exported as a JSON file. Click on Show File and it will open the file in the folder. Right-click and select Open with Visual Studio Code to open this file in VS Code. Here you can see the exported data in the blog.posts.json file. Click here to close VS Code. Let's create another collection. Hover over the database and click on the plus icon. Enter the collection name as comments and click on Create Collection to create the collection. The collection has been created successfully. Now, instead of inserting data manually, let's import the JSON file. Go to Google, type JSON placeholder API and press enter. Click on this link. Scroll down. Click on the comments link. You will see 500 comments with post ID, ID, name, email, and body in JSON format. Press Ctrl+S to save this JSON file. You can see the file name is comments and the file type is JSON file. Now click on Save to save this file. The file has been saved. Now go back to MongoDB Compass. Let's import the comments JSON file. Click on Add Data and select Import JSON or CSV file. Select comments.json file and click on Select to import the JSON file. It will show Import to Collection and Import File. Click on Import. You can see the message import completed. 500 documents imported. You will see 25 documents per page. Click here to display the next 25 documents. Click on this icon to update this document. Remove this text and click on Update to update the document. Click on this icon to delete the document. Now click on Delete and the document will be deleted. Let's install Mongo Shell. Go to MongoDB website and click on Tools. Here you will see list of tools. Click on MongoDB Shell. Here you will see MongoDB Shell version and here is the platform. You can choose your platform from the list. Then you will see the package type which is MSI, Microsoft Installer, and zip. We will download the zip file as it will be easy to set up. Click on Download to download the zip file. Select the folder and click on Save to download MongoDB Shell zip file. The zip file has been downloaded. Click on the folder icon to go to the folder. Now we need to extract the file. I will use WinRAR for it. Right-click and select Show More Options. Now select Extract to MongoDB 2.3.2 Win32x64. The file has been extracted. Open this folder. Right-click on this folder and click here to copy the folder. Now go to C drive. Then open Program Files folder. Now open MongoDB folder. Right-click and click on this icon to paste the copied folder here. Click on Continue to give administrator access. The folder has been copied. Now, we need to add the path to the system variables. Click inside this folder and then open the bin folder. Now click here and copy this path. Now click inside Search and type Edit System. Click here to open System Properties. Now click on Environment Variables. Scroll down and you will see the path. Click on it and then click on Edit. Now click on New and paste the path which you have copied. Now click on OK, then click OK again, and finally click OK one more time. Click inside Search and type CMD to open Command Prompt. Type mongosh and press Enter. You will see the current mongosh log ID, connecting to the local MongoDB instance, the MongoDB version which is 8.0.1, and the mongosh version which is 2.3.2. Now, type the command show DBs to display a list of all the databases available on the MongoDB server. You will see the default databases, admin, config, and local, along with the blog database that we created. Now, type the command use blog to switch to the blog database. You can see the message saying switch to DB blog, indicating that you've successfully switched to the blog database. Type the command show collections to display the list of all collections in the blog database. You can see that the blog database contains two collections, comments and posts. Now, type the command db.comments.find to retrieve all documents from the comments collection. You can see 20 comments. If you want to see more, type it and press enter. Now, type the command db.comments.find.pretty to retrieve all documents from the comments collection and format the output for better readability. Now, type the command db.comments.find.limit5.pretty to retrieve the first 5 documents from the comments collection and format the output in a more readable way. The limit5 function restricts the result to only 5 documents. You can see it shows only first 5 documents. Now, type the command db.posts.find.pretty to retrieve all documents from the posts collection and format the output for better readability. You can see that it displays all 3 documents from the posts collection. In this tutorial, we explored how to set up and use MongoDB, including the installation process. We created collections, inserted documents, and imported JSON files using MongoDB Compass, allowing us to manage our data visually. Additionally, we executed various commands in the MongoDB shell to retrieve and format our data for easier analysis. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe.